Hello folks. In this video, we'll show you how to set up security questions for two-factor authentication in Jenkins 2FA plugin. Please ensure first the 2FA is enabled for all users. The admin needs to click on the security questions toggle to enable the method and save the configurations. Now, let's take a look at how the inline registration process will appear for users. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. After that, when the user clicks on Sign In, they will be prompted with Configured Two-Factor page. Here the user can select any two questions as their security questions. For the third one, they can add a custom question of their choice. Once the user has filled in all the questions and answers, they will need to save them. After submitting, the user logs in successfully and their answers are now registered. Let's now see how the user flow looks once the inline registration is completed after their first login. The user is prompted again to enter their username and password as the first layer of authentication. Enter username and password in the respective fields to proceed with authentication. Then the user clicks on Sign In. They are then prompted to answer any two of the three questions they configured during inline registration. Click the Validate button to confirm your security question answers and complete setup. After submitting, the user logs in successfully. And that's how the entire security questions 2FA flow works in the Jenkins 2FA plugin.